When your car starts blowing black smoke out of the tailpipe or begins acting sluggish and unresponsive during those first few minutes of a cold start, you might be facing a P0060 code. This code specifically points to a heater resistance issue on your heated oxygen sensor, specifically on bank 2, sensor 2. In plain English, bank 2 is the side of your engine that does not contain cylinder number 1, and sensor 2 means it is the downstream sensor located after your catalytic converter. These sensors are made of zirconium dioxide and platinum, and they need to be extremely hot, about 600 degrees Fahrenheit, to work correctly and provide accurate data. To get them up to that temperature quickly before the engine heat can do it, the car uses a dedicated heating element powered by 12.6 volts from your battery. The PCM monitors the resistance of this heater circuit to make sure it is working, and if it detects that the resistance is higher than the programmed limits, it triggers the light on your dash. This is actually a bigger deal than most people think, because a cold oxygen sensor cannot give accurate data, which keeps the car from entering its efficient closed-loop mode, leading to terrible fuel economy and potentially damaging your expensive catalytic converter over time. Start your diagnosis by doing a thorough visual inspection for any burnt or broken wires, especially since these sensors live right next to the scorching hot exhaust pipes and metal shields. Use your DVOEM to check the fuses and the engine control relay. Sometimes a simple blown fuse caused by a temporary spike is the only thing standing between you and a smooth-running car. If the fuses are fine, you will want to measure the resistance of the sensor itself at the plug. Disconnect the sensor and check the heater circuit pins. If the resistance is way out of the manufacturer specifications, the internal element is likely burnt out and the sensor needs to be replaced. Also, make sure you are getting full battery voltage at the plug when the engine is first started from a cold state. If you find a blown fuse, there is a very high chance the wiring has rubbed through and shorted out against a sharp metal edge. Repair those wires, clear the code, and take it for a test drive until the car enters readiness mode. It might take a few trips for the computer to be absolutely sure the heater is performing correct, so keep an eye on that dashboard for a couple of days.